Okay, good afternoon to all. First of all, on behalf of Saint Gobain, I would like to thank CRCU for providing us the opportunity to showcase our Kaizen on this platform. So, myself, Saurabh,
And myself, Kavya Bish,
we are from Saint Gobain India Private Limited. So, we are here to present our Kaizen on the implementation of autonomous maintenance using digital.
with the theme of improvement with IT activities.
So this is about our company profile. We are Saint Gobain Secured. We are basically making the glazing system. We are supplier for the mobility market. And in India, we are having 3 manufacturing locations in Bhiwadi, Chennai, and Chakan. And in addition to that, we have a service center in Halol, Pune, Anandpur, and Bhiwadi. These are our certification details. So these are all our esteemed customers for whom we work. So we are basically manufacturing the laminated windshield and tempered door, sunroof glasses, rear side fix and backlight glasses.
So the question arises, why do we need autonomous maintenance using digital?
So that basically we need this autonomous maintenance mainly to improve the machine stability. In addition, we are combining this with digital to improve the data accuracy and also to make the data collection very easy. So in day-to-day basis, we are investing most of our time in data collection, which is shifting our focus from analysis and the implementation phase. So this is the team we have formed. It includes a cross-functional team of production, maintenance, digital team. So this is our plant layout. So here we are converting this raw glass sheet to a final windshield. So we are doing basic cutting, grinding operation and bending of the glass by using a furnace, and then we are doing a lamination of the glass by using an interlayer PVP, and then we are doing autoclave, final inspection, and then we are doing the child part assembly and then packing and dispatching to the customer. So here we are doing the Kaizen implementation in the cutting and the grinding area.
So we have some losses due to inconsistent shift output, downtime due to non-adherence of basic AM standards, and insufficient gap analysis due to lack of accurate data.
So the impact of the problem is that we are getting in the low shift output and we have rejection due to machine anomalies, and every month we have to run some 6 to 7 extra shifts, and we have a huge energy loss at furnace which is almost 800 kilowatt per hour. So we did the brainstorming and we identified some valid causes and some causes which were not feasible or invalid, like cycle time optimization. Since our product is complex, so we have no scope. So we did the analysis on the repeated breakdown, and we are trying to find out a scope in the adjustment and setup time reduction, and we have tried to find out scope in the improving the shift output by monitoring the hourly output. So this is the cause and the effect analysis we have done. We have done the machine under the category of machine. We found that there is a gap in the lubrication standard. There is a gap in the cleanliness of the machine, and also some parts are loose. And in the methods we have found out that there is a scope in reduction in the setup and adjustment time, and also in the machine parameter standardization. So these are the correct kappa we have done. So we have identified that to standardize the cleaning, lubrication and inspection point to improve the machine stability, to improve the critical wrong parameters, to avoid wrong parameters. We have identified critical process parameters, and we have defined this as a standard quality points, and we have digitalized it so that this can be checked at a fixed frequency, and this data will be directly going to the concerned team immediately. And to improve the tracking of the machine, we have done the real-time tracking of the machine through PLC.
As you can see, this is the standard CIT point layout. We have implemented cleaning, lubrication, tightening and inspection points, and to improve the product quality and safety, we had also in parallel implemented safety and quality points. So this is a standard CIT point layout. For your reference, we have a unique QR code. Whenever the operator will scan, this interface will open and he will get to know what is not okay and okay.
So this is the process flow we have done for this complete implementation. First we have collected the points, listed out all the points, then we have standardized, created standard for each point, Then we have transferred these points to our application test rack, which we have developed internally. Based on that, we have generated the QR code. So now when the operator will scan this QR code, and he has to press OK or not OK. Based on that, the mail will go to the concerned team. So this is similarly for the real-time output, where we have looped the device, interface device, from the machine PLC directly to our server, and it is giving that output data in a dashboard form.
So earlier we used to do it on paper. Now we have moved to the digital tool. With the help of iPad, we scan the QR code and came to know that what points are okay and not okay. And the alert will directly go to the respective teams and the action will be taken immediately. So this is the before and after of OE monitoring. Earlier we used to keep the data and at the end of the shift, but now we can monitor the data in real time.
So this is the result. We have gained almost 7% of our, reduced 7% of our downtime. We have improved our shift output by 10%, and we have reduced our energy consumption by 20%. So this is our investment cost, which is almost 5,71,000 for the complete line. And this is a tangible benefits. So we are approximately saving 6 lakhs per month. So in a year, it is close to 72 lakhs per annum.
In addition, we have some intangible benefits like paper saving, reduction of CO2, easy live tracking data, and AM check of machine.
So our ROI is almost nearly 1 month. And this is the standardization we have created in the shop floor, which where we have put every machine points, we have put standard display for the live tracking. And this is our Kaizen sheet. So where we have improved the productivity, quality, and reduced the cost, and improved the morale of the team. So we have, as of now, we have done horizontal deployment also in another 3 work center, and 4th one is in progress. Thank you.
Any queries from jury side? Okay, thank you. The next team to make the presentation is Seeds Technologies Faridabad, second team of Seeds Technologies Faridabad.